winds 5 to 15 knots, becoming east, seas 2 to 5 feet tonight. South to southwest winds 5 to 15 knots, becoming west 20 to 30 knots. Seas building to 4 to 7 feet. Scattered showers. Sunday. North to northwest winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas building to 6 to 10 feet. Scattered showers. Sunday night. North to northeast winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 9 feet. Monday. Northeast winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming east 5 to 15 knots. Seas 4 to 8 feet. Monday night. Variable winds 5 to 15 knots, becoming northeast. Seas subsiding to 3 to 5 feet. Tuesday. East to northeast winds 10 to 20 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Tuesday night. East to northeast winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 7 feet. Wednesday. East to northeast winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas building to 6 to 10 feet. Wednesday night. Northeast winds 15 to 25 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots. Seas 5 to 9 feet. Cape Fear to 31 north, out to 32 north, 73 west to 31 north, 74 west today. North to northeast winds 5 to 15 knots.